Olá, meu nome é Perry da SKINZIT. Agora que você comprou a sua SKINZIT, eu vou lhe dar algumas dicas de como utilizá-la. Primeiro de tudo, esse gatilho deve ser pressionado durante todo o trabalho. Você deve pressionar ele firmemente quando estiver pronto para remover a espinha. Então, eu removi a cabeça e os miúdos do peixe e deixei o filé de peixe em duas partes. Eu vou te mostrar como remover a espinha primeiro. Você vai começar pelo lado da cabeça do peixe. Como você verá, pressione firmemente o gatilho, como eu disse antes. Eu uso a mesa novamente como referência e toco a ponta da SKINZIT nela, fazendo um ângulo de 30 graus com a mesa. Pressiono o gatilho, inicio a rotação e faço o movimento em direção à espinha. Como você pode ver, ele removeu a espinha. Esta máquina é segura e fantástica, e muito mais simples de usar do que você imagina. Você notou como eu retirei a espinha com simplicidade? Depois que você removeu a espinha, você vira o seu filé do outro lado e novamente você vai começar a remover a pele pela parte da cabeça e não da cauda. Para retirar a pele, nós vamos apoiar a SKINZIT paralelamente à mesa. Vamos pressionar o gatilho novamente com firmeza e começar a girar o rotor, movendo em direção à pele. Quando você for adiante, você não deve inclinar a SKINZIT, e sim mantê-la paralelamente e quando chegar bem perto, levantar só um pouquinho, desse jeito aqui. Não esqueça de apoiar o peixe com sua outra mão. Eu vou demonstrar agora. Agora, eu paro próximo de 2 centímetros antes do final da cauda. Agarro a carne com minha outra mão e com o gatilho pressionado, eu puxo a carne para fora da pele. Como você vê, ele fez um trabalho perfeito. Veja só, o filé está perfeito, sem carne na pele, espinha totalmente removida. É inacreditável. Você não tem como aproveitar tanta carne no filé de peixe, sem desperdício, com qualquer outro equipamento. Você tem que comprar o SKINZIT. Acredite em mim.
Really bothered me how someone could sit there and screw around with a nail for a minute or two when it should really only take you 4 seconds to drive that nail. And over the course of this whole time, I always decided that I'm going to make something, make a little hand tool, to aid in driving nails so they wouldn't bend or buckle. It's got 2 magnets on each side that open and close it. It holds a nail, holds multiple size nails. Through this invention, when you squeeze each side, all your force is transferred to these grooves. And when that nail sits in that groove perfectly, all that force is multiplied through this device onto that nail. So when you start hammering the nail while it's in the device, the buckling strength could be increased by 4 times.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Vion Bluetooth multimeter. Using old-fashioned multimeter is tough. They have complex buttons, they are bulky, and they simply complicate life. That's where Vion comes into the picture. The simplest multimeter ever. Vion lets you press a button through a smartphone application to easily measure voltage of household appliances. Everywhere around you, whether at home or work, all energy consuming products utilize electricity. And if something goes wrong, most of us don't know enough about electricity to fix the problem as fast as we would like. This is why Vion was born, bringing to you the first smart multimeter that makes it easy to diagnose and fix electrical problems. Using the companion smartphone application, which is available for both Android and iOS device, the Vion Bluetooth multimeter measure voltage and resistance using a pair of separate probes with the readout automatically sent to your smartphone screen. Most multimeters require you to have extensive electrical knowledge to understand the number display on the LCD in order to determine the fault. However, Vion is linked to the smartphone and automatically measure the product without having to select a measurement item and diagnose the result as good bad through voice guidance. When using existing multimeter, if the placement of the probes is slightly off, even by a little, the multimeter internal circuit could be damaged. Vion, however, is easily manageable as there is nobody or internal circuit board to damage. Measurements are immediately stored and transferred to the companion application, so you don't need to manually write anything down. A pair of probed Vion meters provide user the convenience for easy storage and carry perfectly sized to fit in pockets, toolboxes and drawers without taking up too much space. Vion is a Bluetooth compatible and comes with user-friendly smartphone application that enhance the process of diagnosing electrical problems. The application feature voice guidance and connect to store for direct purchases for measured products. Vion has a battery life of up to 7 hours with a charging period of 30 minutes and can be charged with USB cable. The measurement status is displayed by the colors blue of AC, red of DC, green of resistance, white for charging and RGB strobe for standby. For more information, jump over to the official Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign page where Vion is now available to back with super early bird pledges available from $40 and shipping expected to take place during June 2018. What do you think of this Bluetooth multimeter? Would you ever buy one? Let us know in comment below. Check out our channel for more video. If you find this video helpful in any ways, please share this video with anyone and everyone you believe may benefit from it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you right back here in very near future. Till then, goodbye.
Hi, this is just a quick follow-up video to this Wiha SpeedE Electric screwdriver showed in a previous mailbag. Very nice, sort of like a traditional electric screwdriver, well, traditional form factor screwdriver, but it's electric. You just spin it like that and it turns, and it's supposed to have like a, well, it's rated, you can see it there, 0 to 8 Newton meters. That's for the screwdriver itself. So it'll go up to 8 Newton meters before, like, that's its physical limit before it breaks. That's nothing to do with the electric functionality. But if you plug the bit in, then it has a 0.4 Newton meter, like it's a torque, but it actually stops. It's not a clutch-based slip system. The motor will literally stop at 0.4 Newton meters, which I thought in the review, I said that's not really, it's not really enough. It doesn't tighten them up much. It's not bad. It's not a bad compromise, but it only has the one torque setting. And I also noticed there's a bit of wobble in that bit as well, and at least one person pointed out, well, the wobble was due to the fact that I didn't use this, which I called an extension bar, like an extender type thing, but it's actually not. It's what's called a Wiha Easy Torque adapter, and you can see it's actually rated for 2.8 Newton meters on there. It's the 2970 type, max 5.8 Newton meters. So if you use this with the screwdriver, it's going to be less than the nominal 8 Newton meters. But it's actually a torque adapter, but I still don't see the point of this thing, because this electric screwdriver has, as I said, an electronic stop at 0.4 Newton meters. So it's not like, you know, you can whack this on and it goes up to 2.8, because the motor is still going to stop at that maximum of 0.4 Newton meters. And, well, I just don't see the point of this. Let me demonstrate here. I'll just get a nice big metal screw here. So let's just try and screw this in. Sorry, this is kind of going to be like, it has to be field of vision. So you'll kind of have to trust me on this. It's not very good visually, but if I screw that in, okay, it stops. It's fairly light, okay? That's presumably the 0.4 Newton meters stopping force, and it's okay. But then, of course, what you do at the end is just then give it a little hand tighten, you know, like that. So you do it by hand. But you can't just magically whack in this adapter like this. And by the way, the first thing is, sorry, I wanted to say that that doesn't stop the wobble. In fact, it makes it worse. Sorry, I'll just put it there. There you go. It makes it worse by having that thing on. So whoever said it wobbles because I haven't got this in, this Easy Torque adapter, nope, it just makes it worse, okay? So we do this like, here we go. It stops at exactly the same point as you'd expect because it's electronic torque setting in here. It just stops. And, well, I don't understand how this works at all. Look, and it's not even like a mechanical clutch based system. Trust me, I am really freaking tightening that now, and it's not slipping at all. I risk actually breaking the screw or the screwdriver or the torque adapter or whatever. I'm going as hard as I physically can, and I've got a nice big solid grip on that. Nothing's slipping, and you'll have to trust me. If I'm really going to, I've got to now hold that like that. So anyway, I don't see the point of why they would even supply this Easy Torque adapter. Is mine faulty? Am I not using it right? I don't know, but is there supposed to be some mechanical, I presume that yellow part is supposed to like have some mechanical slip, but it just doesn't seem to work at all. Anyway, absolutely pointless. It needs, well, for this, I mean, a lot of people said, oh, this is great for electricians, and it probably is, who need to do hundreds of connections and stuff like that. And I'm sure it's absolutely great for that. But yeah, just as a general lab screwdriver, it's okay. I'm going to be using it, but I just wish it had like a variable speed and maybe 2 torque settings or something like that would have been nice on it. But anyway, just wanted to show you that Easy Torque adapter, which seems absolutely pointless to me. Anyway, catch you next time.